northbound first.
야심한 밤, 오늘도 범죄자를 쫓고 있는 신입 경찰관 메디.
Approaching Vignes. North on Vignes, northbound Vignes. Six on Temple, suspects have TC'd. We're in foot pursuit. Two male whites. Start paying.
그녀는 서투르지만 베테랑 경찰이었던 아버지를 따라 범죄자들을 심판하려 합니다.
Don't fucking move. Adam 77, suspect in custody.
그렇게 오늘도 범인 검거에 성공한 그녀는 다음 날 아버지인 보시가 참석하는 재판장으로 향하는데요.
Good morning.
Morning.
Natty,
Hey, Michelle, how you doing?
nervous.
So, what do you think?
I don't know. Just got the call to get here.
현재 보시는 살인 청부를 했다며 기소된 재벌 로저스의 재판을 도와주고 있었습니다.
In case BA9-26534, People vs. Rogers. The court has received a note from the foreperson that the jury is, after 4 full days of deliberations, hopelessly deadlocked, 6-6. Therefore, I have no choice but to declare a mistrial.
하지만 막강한 변호인단과 증거 부족으로 인해 로저스는 무죄를 선고받는데요.
In 30 days. Ladies and gentlemen of the jury, I thank you for your service. We are adjourned.
So does this mean a retrial?
Means either that shitbird walks or he cuts a sweetheart deal.
곧바로 따지려는 챈들러.
Miss Chandler,
You're going to retry him, right?
we will weigh our options.
How is this even a question? Rogers hired a hitman who killed 4 people, including a judge, shot me twice and left me for dead, and attempted to kill that young woman over there who is now a Los Angeles police officer.
The flaws in the case were exposed at trial when our key witness recanted on the stand.
Alex.
Without that, we cannot and could not establish a direct link between Rogers and the hitman.
Well, somebody got to doubts.
Perhaps. And absent any new evidence, that's still a problem. Look, I understand how you feel.
You have no goddamn idea how I feel.
The office will be in touch.
결국 챈들러는 로저스의 재심 소식을 기다릴 수밖에 없었죠.
Man,
한편 보시는 경찰에서 은퇴한 뒤 현재는 사설 탐정으로 일하고 있었습니다.
What are these?
old cold cases. Time to time, I send out packages to foreign countries trying to ID these 3 women.
Are they missing?
Dead.
Oh,
Somebody has to, right? I've got your things here.
thank you so much. My grandmother's wedding ring.
보시는 크고 작은 일을 해결해주며 조용히 살고 있었는데요.
What do I owe you?
On the house. Just tell your dad he owes me a drink.
I will do that.
Take good care.
그런데 이때 보시는 문 밑에 떨어져 있는 수상한 명함을 발견합니다.
Mr. Creighton will see you now.
곧바로 역시 전직 경찰이었던 크레이턴을 찾아가는 보시.
Bosch. I don't think we've ever actually met.
We were command staff up in the clouds. I was on the street, catching bad guys, making cases.
No, better late than never.
Someone slipped this under my door.
I needed to reach you.
I'm not interested in some corporate security gig.
I'm not offering you one.
이때 크레이턴은 보시에게 흥미로운 의뢰를 하나 맡기려고 하는데요.
We have a client who wishes to speak with you.
What about?
He won't say.
So give me his.
He wants to meet face to face at his residence.
Why me?
He's read about you in the papers.
What's his name?
Whitney Vance.
Billionaire. Advanced engineering.
He'll pay you $10,000 just to have the conversation. A couple hours out of your day. $10K, free and clear, no strings. Just hear him out.
자신을 지목했다는 억만장자의 부름을 받고 보시는 억만장자 벤스의 저택으로 향하죠.
Follow me, please.
저택으로 들어선 보시는 한 노인이 있는 곳으로 안내를 받습니다.
Mr. Vance? Mr. Bosch is here.
Mr. Bosch, I would stand and shake your hand, but I can't stand and my hand's not steady.
Don't trouble yourself.
Thank you, Sloan. That'll be good. Before we begin, Mr. Bosch, I need you to sign a confidentiality agreement.
'Confidentiality agreement? What do you mean?
I need you to sign a confidentiality agreement. 'Cause I don't want to get into any of the details.
다짜고짜 벤스는 꼭 비밀 유지를 해달라며 사인까지 부탁하는데요.
My father gave me that pen. It's gold from one of my great-grandfather's mines. That's how this family made its fortune.
사인을 끝내자 벤스는 보시에게 진지한 얘기를 꺼내기 시작합니다.
When you don't have much time, you think of the time behind you.
What can I do for you, Mr. Vance?
I was hoping you could bring an old man some peace and redemption.
How would I do that?
When I was a young man in engineering school at USC, I met a girl who worked in the college dining hall. That was 1952. And we made plans for a life together.
What happened?
She got pregnant. And when my father found out, I didn't stand up for her. And I have regretted that every day of my life.
곧 임종을 앞둔 벤스는 생애 마지막 부탁을 보시에게 전하고 있었죠.
You want me to find her?
I want you to find out what happened to her. Is she alive? My child. Does he or she even exist? I have no wife, no children that I know of. No one to leave this to.
I can't promise you anything, Mr. Vance. It's almost 70 years ago.
Bibiana Duarte. She lived on Orchard Avenue near USC. The rest of it that I could recall, I put in the envelope with the money.
I'll get back to you.
To me only, to no one else. There's billions at stake here. And people will do anything to stop you.
곧바로 보시는 벤스가 알려준 주소로 향해 보는데요. 하지만 몇십 년이 지난 지금 이곳에 남아있는 것은 아무것도 없었죠.
All right. Thanks, Detective.
보시는 은퇴한 형사 배지를 꺼내 잠시 이용하기로 합니다.
Can I help you?
Yes, please. Trying to get a hold of a death certificate.
Name?
Bibiana Duarte.
When did she die?
I don't know. I'm not even sure if she is dead. She was alive and living in Los Angeles in 1952. Maybe we could start there and work our way forward. Yeah?
Maybe we could. I'll be right back.
Thank you.
곧바로 벤스에게 보고하는 보시.
What did you find out, Mr. Bosch?
Oh, as you suspected, Bibiana Duarte is deceased.
I've always known it. When?
1953. I have a copy of her death certificate here if you'd like to see it.
That's a long time ago. How did she die?
Suicide.
Oh, God. Well, I think that finishes us, Mr. Bosch. Send me a bill for services rendered.
Bibiana died 8 months after the last time you saw her. She could have had the child.
Wouldn't there be a birth certificate?
Might be under another name. Baby could have been adopted.
보시는 비비아나가 아이를 낳았을지도 모른다며 그 아이를 찾아보겠다 말하죠.
I'd like to keep looking.
Why?
You may have an error. It's the reason you hired me, isn't it?
You trying to take me for a ride, Mr. Bosch?
The money you've already paid me is more than sufficient.
Then why?
I know how it feels.
Know how what feels?
Mr. Vance, I'd like to try and find her child. Your child.
Well, please hurry, Mr. Bosch. I don't have much time.
하지만 보시가 벤스에 숨겨진 아이를 찾기 시작한 다음부터 미행하는 차량이 생기기 시작합니다. 한편 변호사 챈들러는 로저스의 재심 여부에 관한 뉴스를 보는데요.
There is not sufficient evidence to prove the case beyond a reasonable doubt that a retrial would yield the same result. We will not be retrying Carl Rogers.
God damn it.
Mama, I am so sorry.
Carl Rogers was released from custody earlier. Our camera was there as he appeared back in public for the first time since his arrest.
Please, sir, just one more statement regarding Mr. Rogers.
Are you satisfied? The system worked for once.
Sir!
Now, in other news, in Mid-City to...
They have to retry him. Fucking fucker hired someone to kill me. It's outrageous.
I haven't forgotten.
Unbelievable.
Way of the world. So it goes.
그날 밤 챈들러가 보시의 집을 찾아옵니다.
I am so sorry.
It's not over yet.
잠시 후 보시를 불러내 이야기를 나누는 챈들러.
See the news? We have to nail this guy, Harry.
Yeah, we do. But we do it my way this time.
Your way.
Yeah. Your way didn't work.
No.
Courts, justice system, due process. Fucker's free as a bird.
보시는 자신만의 방식으로 로저스를 잡겠다 결심하죠.
Okay.
다음 날 기술자로 알고 지낸 남자에게 로저스의 감시를 부탁하는 보시.
Cameras every corner of the house. Can you disarm the system?
Man, can Sonny Rollins improvise?
How long to bug the cars?
15 tops, if they're parked in the driveway.
I'm your first call from jail.
Well, look who's home. Rogers and his +1. Plan B.
Tail him wherever he goes. The moment's right, bug the cars. Takes what it takes.
I thought this guy was urgent.
This is just the beginning.
한편 벤스가 탐정을 고용했다는 소식이 알려지자 그의 재산 문제로 민감한 사람들이 있었습니다.
Fuck, we hire a private investigator. Blackmail?
About what?
There's always been those rumors about Whitney Vance. Kids, lifelong bachelor.
The man's 88 years old, for Christ's sake. Even if they were true, why would he care?
What about an heir?
1, there is no heir. 2, he's chosen you to succeed him as CEO.
Yeah, what if this detective digs one up? Some pretender.
As soon as the old man croaks, the long-lost children of Whitney Vance will crawl out of the woodwork, and the litigation will commence. It's inevitable.
Royally fuck my succession.
Which is why you have a flotilla of attorneys. My people are on Bosch.
그 시각 한 남자가 입국하는데
Ну чё, как долетел?
13 часов. С голоду умираю. Что там за дело? Карл Роджерс.
남자들은 로저스와 어떤 연관이 있는 것처럼 보였죠.
Viviana Duarte, 17. You know the location of her death?
St. Helens Home for Unwed Mothers.
We wouldn't have any birth records that mentioned St. Helens.
결국 비비아나가 사망할 즈음에 출생 기록을 모두 확인하려는 보시.
That would be hundreds of records.
And I'll look through every one of them.
하지만 기록을 찾는 것은 쉽지 않았고 결국 보시는 당시 병원의 원장이었던 에비게일에게 연락을 해볼까 고민합니다.
Worth a try. What do you think, boy? Yeah, worth a try.
다음 날 로저스의 차에 붙인 도청 장치로 보시의 동료가 통화를 엿듣는데
Simon, how's it hanging? Our Stoli friend wants to meet. Can you buy us some time?
Not an option.
Well, he knows I'm good for it.
Are you? They sound impatient, Carl.
They?
The old man sent Lev. Carl?
You still with me? Just find out the where and when and we'll be there.
곧바로 보시는 대화 내용에 대해 보고를 받습니다.
Mo?
Rogers just got on the phone with a dude named Simon. They're setting up a meeting.
Simon Wakefield's his financial guy.
Yeah, well, they ain't dealing with no bank. This sounded urgent and Rogers sounded concerned.
The number he most frequently called was a burner.
The so-called gas didn't go.
All right. Call me when you got something more.
잠시 후 비비아나가 있던 병원을 찾아온 보시.
Can I help you?
Yes. I was wondering if I could speak to Abigail Turnbull.
Oh, she hasn't been here in many years.
No, is she no longer with us?
Oh, if she's still here, retired. Abby will outlive us all.
I met her at the 100th year anniversary party. My mother and I spoke to her then.
Oh. I'm sorry. Who are you?
Dale. I was born here.
You don't say.
Yeah. Abigail was my mother's social worker, and my mom never forgot her.
Well, what can I do for you, Dale?
My mother just passed away.
I'm so sorry.
I have a message for Abigail from her, so I'm just trying to figure out the best way to get it to her.
Oh. I'll be right back.
Thank you.
결국 보시는 자신의 아픈 과거를 말하면서 원장인 에비게일의 집 주소를 알아내는 데 성공하죠.
Bless you. Have a wonderful day.
그렇게 보시는 아이를 찾을 수 있을까라는 기대와 함께 에비게일의 집으로 가봅니다.
Miss Turnbull. Sorry, I didn't mean to startle you. I was wondering if you could help me.
What do you want?
My name's Harry Bosch. I'm a private investigator. I'd like to speak with you about a case I'm working on. You mind if I come in? I have my credentials here.
낯선 일을 경계하는 그녀에게 자신의 신분증을 보여주는 보시.
May I sit?
Go ahead. What's this about?
Well, I read about you in the paper. St. Helens. I work for someone, an older gentleman. His child was born at St. Helens, and I think you can help me find his child.
I was there for 50 years. There were hundreds of babies.
I understand it was a long time ago, but I think you'd remember the name. Viviana. Viviana Duarte.
이름을 들은 그녀는 안색이 갑자기 변하는데요.
This man you work for, he abandoned her and his son.
He doesn't have much time left.
Then he's better off not knowing.
Not our call to make. Please.
The boy was frail. Bibi kept him in her room. She fed him with her milk.
비비아나는 당시 아이가 약하게 태어나 평소와는 다르게 일주일 정도 아기와 있었다고 합니다.
She got time with that baby. No one else ever got what theirs. Some people called that a blessing.
But not you.
She bonded with that child, of course she did. She was heartbroken when they took him away. Losing her baby like that. She was so young.
What happened to Viviana?
She used a clothesline from the laundry. By the time anyone found her, it was too late.
And the boy?
Adopted.
Do you remember his name?
Bibi called him Dominic.
And what name did the adoptive parents give him?
They promised to call him Dominic too.
그렇게 보시가 아이에 대한 단서를 알아낸 사이 어느 주유소로 들어선 차량. 그들은 얼마 전 입국했던 남자들이었는데요.
Bathroom's on the other side.
Cyrus, right? Alex. My brother Lev.
Well, this is my office, guys.
You work for Gurov. Gurov works for us, so... This is our office.
What is this?
House cleaning. We're visiting all our stations, making sure all the numbers add up.
Gurov can show you the books.
I've seen them. You're stealing from us.
What are you talking about?
Don't play dumb.
Gurov gets his money, every penny.
Just don't lie to me.
I swear.
No! Please! Please, man! I can't! Yes! Inside! Inside!
그런데 어째선지 이 광경을 보고도 태연하게 있는 주유소 사장.
I have a family! No!
그렇게 남자들은 한 남성을 아무렇지 않게 죽입니다. 그 시각 입양 기록을 살펴보던 보시는 도미닉을 찾아내죠.
Dominic Santinello.
한편 오늘도 경찰 업무 때문에 정신이 없는 보시의 딸 메디.
Hey, Bosch.
Press?
Just starting your shift?
Yeah, obviously. You done for the day?
Obviously. And I got a day off tomorrow.
I gotta go. My TO.
Sure.
그녀는 오늘 동기인 동료와 함께 순찰을 돌려하고 있었는데요. 이때 갑자기 사건이 접수되고 두 사람은 바로 현장으로 출동합니다.
I went out early to run some errands. I got home. He had a knife. He told me not to scream.
현장에는 성폭력을 당한 피해자가 겁에 질린 채 있었습니다.
What did he look like? Can you describe him? He was wearing a mask. Black, white, Asian, Latino, could you tell? White. I could see his hands. What about the mask? Oh, one of those Mexican wrestling masks. Covered his whole head and face. Was he tall, short? Average.
피해자는 범인이 레슬링 마스크를 쓰고 있었던 것 외엔 대부분 기억하지 못했죠.
Anything else that you can recall? Any little detail could be helpful. His breath was terrible. And he smelled of cigarettes.
그 시각 도미닉에 대해 조사하는 보시.
Dominic Santinello.
Dominic with a CK.
Ooh, adding a K. Date of birth?
January 31st, 1953.
All right. California driver's license issued Jan 31, 1969.
His 16th birthday. When did he last renew it?
Looks like never.
Maybe moved out of the state.
Look, maybe quit driving.
이때 보시 머릿속에 무언가가 떠오릅니다.
He's 16 in 1969. A couple years later, Vietnam's still on fire. He's old enough to enlist, eligible for the draft.
He gets sent to Nam.
그리고 예상대로 도미닉에겐 베트남 전쟁에 참여했던 기록이 있었죠.
KIA Tainan Province, December 9th, 1972. Month and change shy of his 20th birthday.
KIA?
Killed in action.
안타깝게도 도미닉 역시 사망한 것으로 밝혀지고 결국 보시는 지금까지의 조사 결과를 벤스에게 보고하려 합니다.
Mr. Vance?
Peaceful, isn't it? My father's buried here, Mr. Bosch. Sings his praises, a visionary, pioneer. He made more money than he could spend in 10 lifetimes. None of that matters in the end.
You don't believe that?
Don't I?
Legacy matters. How you live your life, what you leave behind, why you hired me. Find your heir.
Do you have something to tell me, Mr. Bosch?
You had a son.
He has his mother's eyes.
His name was Dominic Santinello.
You're speaking in the past tense.
He was a medic. Died in Vietnam. Just short of his 20th birthday, December 9th, 1972.
So much for my legacy. I wonder if I had stood up to my father all those years ago, the path not taken. Tell me, Mr. Bosch, were you close to your father?
I never knew my father.
So that's what you meant.
Sorry?
When you said you knew what it felt like.
Right.
그렇게 보고를 마치고 돌아서던 그때 벤스가 다시 입을 엽니다.
I'd like to know more about him.
Sir?
Whatever you could find out about my son. Humor me.
결국 다시 도미닉에 대한 조사를 하던 도중 보시는 새로운 사실을 알게 되는데요. 바로 도미닉을 알고 있던 사람이 추모에 글을 남겼던 것이었죠. (45년) 동안 추모에 글을 꾸준히 남긴 여성에게 흥미가 생긴 보시는 그녀에게 연락을 취해봅니다.
Message in a bottle.
그렇게 연락을 기다리던 보시에게 또다시 로저스에 대한 소식이 들려오는데요.
What you got?
Rogers is headed downtown.
Okay, keep in touch.
잠시 후 로저스의 차가 있다는 곳으로 향한 보시.
Yeah.
You see him?
I see his car, not him.
보시는 로저스가 있을 것으로 추정되는 건물로 변장한 채 들어섭니다. 그리고 그 시각 로저스는 얼마 전 주유소에 있던 러시아 마피아들과 만나고 있었죠.
I have your money. Your original investment, every penny.
We're sure it does double.
Our money.
That was before the unfortunate events of the last year.
Your problem, not ours. We invest with you 10 million.
It's going to take us a little time to get another 10 together.
Another 30.
I don't understand.
It's now 40. Regional 10 plus.
Interest.
This wasn't a loan. This was a buy-in.
10 plus interest is 40.
Call it what you want. You have diverse portfolio. All different kinds of irons and fire.
You have to understand. My businesses all took a hit when I was inside.
We won't fucking haggle with you. Understand?
삼엄한 경계를 피하며 보시는 로저스가 있는 방으로 향하는데요.
I'm gonna need a little time.
That's what they all say.
Who say?
Deadbeats.
Ah, true. That is what they say.
To ramp up production.
You have 1 week to get started.
I need more time. I don't know what else to tell you.
You tell us. Can do.
You see, it's not that simple.
We'll figure it out.
Carl, I really have to urge caution here. This is not a good idea.
Shut up, Simon. We'll get you your money.
알고 보니 로저스는 러시아 마피아들에게 거액의 돈을 빌린 상태였죠. 그런데 이때 보시의 모습이 카메라에 잡히고 맙니다.
Званый гость в здании. Где он сейчас?
У вас за дверью.
Иди вниз, заблокируй выходы, не дай ему уйти.
Понял.
그렇게 시작되는 숨막히는 추격전. 겉보기와 다르게 보시는 날렵하게 도망가고 이런 보시를 잡느라 남자는 애를 먹는데 이때 보시는 사람들이 많은 곳을 찾아 그 속으로 숨습니다. 결국 무사히 도망칠 수 있었던 보시. 곧바로 보시는 남자들의 정보를 캐보는데요.
These are the guys chased you through the garment district?
Tried to turn me into a piñata.
Alexei and Lev Ivanovich, actual brothers.
Bratva?
Bratva royalty. Did a few years in the Gulag for murder. Story goes, he actually buried alive some other criminal who owed the old man money.
True story?
Could be apocryphal, or not.
Tell me about Alexei.
Brains. But brutal like he needs to be.
They're up to something. Do me a favor. Keep an eye on them for me.
Out of our jurisdiction. But unofficially, sure.
Thanks, Misha. I'll be in touch, brother.
동시에 보시는 이것이 로저스의 약점이 될 수도 있겠다 싶어 챈들러에게도 이 사실을 공유합니다.
And Rogers owes these guys a lot of money.
A ton, from what I heard. Franzen said Rogers was cooking up a scheme that had a very steep buy-in.
With some quote-unquote unsavory characters. Bratva.
These two fit the bill.
Out of the frying pan.
Mm-hmm. When Rogers was locked up, he made multiple calls to a particular number. We traced it back to a burner cell phone purchased at a gas station in Bakersfield.
What would Rogers have to do with a gas and go in Bakersfield?
로저스와 주유소의 관계에 대해선 뚜렷한 정보가 없던 보시는 일단 시간을 두고 더 로저스를 지켜보기로 하죠.
Hello?
You left me a message?
그날 밤 가볍게 술 한잔을 하려던 그때 보시는 도미닉에게 추모글을 남긴 여성에게서 전화를 받습니다.
Olivia McDonald?
You wanted to talk to me?
I'm a private investigator. I was wondering if you'd be willing to speak with me in person.
What is this about?
Dominic Santinello?
What about Nick?
You were a friend of his?
Family?
So Nick knew he was adopted, right?
Yes.
Did he know anything about his background, his birth parents?
Nick knew his birth mother's name.
Vibiana.
Vibiana, which is more than I knew about mine.
I'd like to learn more about Nick. Would you be willing to meet with me?
Well, when do you want to meet?
Tell me where you are.
곧바로 보시는 올리비아를 만나러 움직이지만 역시나 누군가가 보시를 미행하고 있습니다. 그리고 이런 보시를 미행하던 건 다름 아닌 의뢰를 소개시켜줬던 크레이턴이었죠.
Yeah, we got eyes on the target. He's on the move, heading north.
다음 날 올리비아의 집을 찾아온 보시.
Nick Santinello was my brother.
Your adoptive brother.
Yes, we were both adopted by the Santinellos.
How did your parents know his birth mother's name?
They both met Vibiana when they went to St. Helens to take Nick home. I have often wondered about Vibiana. I know Nick did. Do you know what happened to her?
She died shortly thereafter.
Oh, dear. How?
She took her own life.
Did she? I am so glad Nick never knew that.
이때 그녀는 보시에게 무언가를 보여주려 합니다.
Sure that I was going to show you these, but yeah.
Where was this taken?
A basic training, Camp Pendleton.
Name on the shirt. Lewis?
That was a friend of his, a fellow medic who couldn't pass the swim test, so Nick put on his shirt and took the test for him.
Was Nick drafted?
Enlisted.
Why a medic?
He wanted to be a doctor. His helicopter was shot down 2 weeks before he was due to come home.
I'm sorry.
It was a long time ago.
I was wondering, is there any possibility you might still have some of his belongings around?
그렇게 올리비아의 도움으로 보시는 도미닉의 유품을 조사할 수 있게 되었는데요. 그때 보시는 도미닉이 찍은 듯한 아주 오래된 필름 하나를 발견할 수 있었죠.
I have no idea who she is. Sorry.
If I get these printed, I'll send you copies.
Please.
곧바로 보시는 알고 지내던 남자를 찾아가 필름에 대한 조사를 부탁합니다.
Any way to figure out when these pictures were taken?
No timestamp on the film. I can't tell you when the film itself was made. 72 AJ. Film was made between April and June 1972.
The guy who took these pictures was in Vietnam, December 71 to December 72. Then he was killed in action.
So how could he have taken them on the beach at Hotel Del?
What I was wondering.
그 시각 올리비아를 찾아온 누군가.
Miss McDonald. Olivia McDonald?
Can I help you?
We're from the VA. Veterans Administration?
I know what the VA is.
Of course you do. Do you have a moment to speak to us about Dominic Santinello?
Who?
Don't be disingenuous, Miss McDonald. Dominic Santinello. Your brother?
다음 날 보시는 올리비아의 연락을 받는데요.
Boss?
It's Olivia.
Olivia McDonald?
Everything okay?
Well, I'm not
Sure. After you left yesterday, 2 men came to the house and said they were from the VA.
What did they want?
They said that
Nick had some outstanding death benefits that I might be entitled to.
About 40 years late. Why come to the house? Why not just send a letter?
That's what I thought. They asked if he'd ever been married or had any children, and
I told them no.
What'd they say?
But they said that that's what their record
could show, but that they just wanted to make sure. Anyway, I just
thought you should know.
Okay, I wouldn't worry about it. If they come knocking again, you let me know, yeah?
Okay, will do.
도미닉에게 자녀가 있을지도 모른다는 가능성을 뒤로 보시는 자신을 감시하는 차량을 발견합니다.
Fuck.
those guys.
What you got?
Trouble. I was clean when I went up to Oxnard. No tracker, no tail. Somebody somehow figured out I was up there.
How do you know?
Went up there to do an interview. Later that day, 2 guys show up at my client's door asking questions, and now these fuckers are back on my tail again.
I got a question of my own. When's the last time you looked up?
Drunk?
Best guess?
What are you gonna do now?
Turn in my rental and get my Jeep back.
Nah, man. Like, what do you want to do? Another shake and bake?
No, these guys are too good. Time to play possum. Assume we're bugged and tailed.
And droned?
And don't know about it.
잠시 후 벤스에게 그동안의 조사 결과를 보고하려는 보시.
Sloan, what brings you here? You don't want to do that.
Mr. Vance is taken ill, and he's unable to speak to you, so he would like you to report to me.
And I'm happy to do so when I hear from him. Ask Mr. Vance to call me when he's feeling better.
벤스의 몸 상태가 좋지 않다는 소식과 함께 보시는 다시 로저스가 어딘가로 향하고 있다는 걸 듣습니다.
Can you hear what they're saying? Not a word. Try this. What the hell is this?
Some gadget I got from Bosch's tech guy. It's like a mini shotgun mic and recorder.
사실 보시는 경찰 시절 신세를 졌던 선배들에게 로저스의 조사를 부탁하고 있었죠.
So Russ, you're going to have to shut this down in the next 48 hours.
It's impossible. Scheduled maintenance isn't for another 3 weeks.
Then you've got to do a hot tap.
No fucking way. It's suicide. That's insane.
Fuck no. Way too dangerous. I'm not sending my guys down there unless it's completely shut down.
Okay, then it's on you, Russ. Get the scheduled maintenance moved up and shut the damn thing down ASAP.
Jesus, you're not listening. The more you take, the harder it is for me to hide it. They're sure to notice a second tap.
You'll find a way.
Just remember, if anything starts to go sideways, I can erase this complete operation in an instant.
누군가와 만나 어떤 계획을 세우고 있는 듯한 로저스. 보시의 선배들은 로저스와 같이 있던 남자를 미행해 보는데요. 이들은 파이프 생산 공장에서 무언가를 진행 중이었습니다. 꼼꼼히 상황을 체크한 뒤 남자는 조사를 부탁합니다.
Hello. Yeah. I need a second pair of eyes.
Been telling you that for years.
Yeah. Poly First Corporation, they're in Carson.
On it, like a bonnet.
Bite me.
이후 로저스와 있던 남자들의 조사가 끝난 뒤 정보를 공유하는 이들.
Rogers, Wakefield, and these two, Penzak and Aslan.
What do we know about these two?
Well, Penzak is a pipeline operator for the Drysdale Oil Refinery.
Responsible for controlling the flow of gas through the company's pipeline network.
And Aslan runs Aslan Inc. He runs fleets of freight trucks and gasoline tankers. And...
What are we looking at?
Manufacturing plant, PVC pipes, closed down about 5 years ago.
Security like Fort fucking Knox. He's got security patrols, cameras, and every 20 minutes the doors open, a gas tanker comes out, another tanker goes in, the door shuts.
Just tankers.
Mm-hmm. Around the clock.
Why is this interesting?
Why the security? Why the heavy tanker traffic here? It's not a filling station.
Unless it is.
But it's not. In my humble opinion, something ain't kosher in Denmark.
And you couldn't hear what they were discussing during the meeting?
Mm-mm. But it was tense, I can tell you that much.
Mo's cleaning up that recording.
What do you think they're up to, Harry?
I think I need to get into that building.
그렇게 보시의 잠입 작전이 시작됩니다.
Hey, buddy. I think you left your wallet in there on the counter.
I don't think so.
Sure looks like you.
What, are you blind? That don't look nothing like me.
Oh, geez. My mistake. I'm sorry.
은밀하게 트럭에 숨은 보시는 그대로 공장으로 들어가는데요. 트럭이 정차하자 보시는 조심스레 움직입니다. 보안 요원들을 피하다 보시는 우연히 지하로 숨게 되는데요. 그러다 보시는 충격적인 사실을 알게 되죠. 알고 보니 파이프라인으로 몰래 석유를 빼돌리고 있었던 로저스 일행. 심지어 그들은 폭탄까지 설치해 증거를 없앨 준비까지 해놓았는데요. 확실하게 증거를 잡은 보시는 이 사실을 챈들러에게 말해줍니다.
On to you, you son of a bitch.
그렇게 로저스의 약점을 잡고 조심스레 돌아가려는 보시. 보시가 안심하고 돌아서려던 바로 그때
Hands up! Now!
Keep your hands up. Easy, pal. You don't want to shoot me. Put your gun down. I'm with Trident Security. We're here doing a field test.
Bullshit.
You know what's bullshit? The level of security here, that's bullshit. You're the first officer I've come into contact with the whole night. No wonder Mr. Aslan wants us to do a security test. What if I was a terrorist?
How do I know you aren't one? Keep your hands up!
I'm reaching for my wallet.
미리 만들어둔 가짜 명함을 건네는 보시.
John Creighton, VP Trident Security.
VP Trident Security. Put your fucking gun away. Take this, put it here. Let me see your badge.
Now, what are you gonna do with that?
Well, that depends.
Please don't report me. I need this job.
Tell you what, you escort me to the front gate and you give me a couple of good reasons why I don't shit-can you here on the spot. Let's go.
그렇게 남자의 배웅까지 받으며 보시는 당당하게 돌아갑니다.
Beginning to think you were MIA.
You have little faith.
How'd it go?
Let's get out of Dodge. I'm buying.
다음 날 챈들러와 얘기하는 보시.
Stolen gas gets siphoned into Aslan's tankers. Crate and barrel. Tailed one to a so-called station in Palmdale.
Free gas. Can't beat the profit margin.
No, Rogers isn't hot to the Russians. He's under serious pressure to deliver more gas.
How's he gonna do that?
Install a second tap.
But if he tinkers with the output, won't the refinery notice?
Immediately. Triggers all kinds of alarms, and hot tapping into a live pipeline, it's off the charts dangerous.
So what's his move?
He needs to get a section of the pipeline shut down for routine maintenance so he can install the second tap.
We need to know when.
Any ideas?
시간을 달라는 챈들러를 뒤로 보시는 전화도 받지 않는 벤스가 걱정돼 메시지를 남겨보는데요.
Mr. Vance, it's Harry Bosch again. Could you please give me a call? I have some new information for you. You have my number.
Come in.
How is he?
He's still breathing. Barely.
Where's the nurse?
She's on a break. Do you mind? I really should get back to work.
Happy to. I'll read to him.
그 시각 챈들러는 로저스와 만났던 사람 중에 한 명이자 자신의 이웃인 사이먼을 만나보기로 합니다.
Simon, thought I might find you here. Honey Chandler.
Garrett Wakefield.
Pleased to meet you. I'm practically a neighbor of your dad's. Simon, a word?
챈들러는 사이먼에게 돌직구를 날리죠.
Our civil suit will expose your son's fraudulent real estate appraisals, which Carl Rogers and his cronies have used to obtain millions of dollars in bank loans.
What do you want?
I want to know when Rogers and Aslan are going to shut down the pipeline and install the second tap. Feeling all right, Simon? Having a little qualm?
Clown?
A sudden rush of shit to the heart.
Fuck off, Ginger.
Bingo.
Dominic Santinello, June 71. Boot camp at Naval Training Center, San Diego. After basic, Balboa Naval Hospital. Finished up at Field Medical School, Camp Pendleton.
Anybody in his class make the same stops?
3 of those 8.
What happened to them?
2 of them, KIA in Vietnam. Hallie Lewis did his tour and came home.
Lewis? Where's home?
I'll give you the address.
한편 보시는 도미닉과 전우였던 루이스라는 남자를 찾아갑니다.
My name is Bosch. I'm a private investigator. I understand Dominic Santinello was a friend of yours?
Well, that's a name from the past. 50 years. Nicky Santinello, what's this about?
He may have come into some money.
You're a little late.
Not for his child, if he had one. Did he have one?
How am I supposed to know if Nicky had a kid?
Well, maybe you wouldn't know. I was under the impression you two guys were tight.
이때 도미닉이 루이스의 옷을 입고 있는 사진을 보여주는 보시.
Oh, man. That was the day Nick took the swim test for me. Saved my ass. I would have been washed right out of the Navy. How about a lemonade?
잠시 후 보시는 루이스에게서 도미닉에 대해 듣게 됩니다.
Thank you.
I was sent to Subic Bay. Nick, he was sent to Da Nang. We lost touch, and I hear his chopper went down. He was killed in Tan Ninh province.
Something I want to show you.
보시는 도미닉의 유품이었던 필름을 보여주며 여성과 아이가 찍힌 사진을 보여주는데요.
The Hotel Del, middle of his tour.
He snuck back. He was one nervy bastard.
You know the woman?
Yeah, I remember her. She was a little older than us. Latina. Gorgeous. Maybe 24, 25, maybe 30.
Remember her name?
No, I can't remember that. Too long.
You remember anything about her?
She was a photojournalist. For some Chicano paper out of Los Angeles, she was sent down to Pendleton to do an anti-war story.
Remember the name of the paper?
No. L something or Los something. Sorry.
Anything else?
No, I can't remember anything anymore. It's all gone. Here.
You've been very helpful.
You come back here. You drop by anytime.
Will do. Thanks, brother.
그렇게 루이스와의 대화를 통해 보시는 작지만 또 다른 단서를 얻습니다.
Holy moly, you got any Dramamine?
There. Punch in right there.
How's that?
Plastic explosive. Connects to a receiver.
How you know that?
I've seen it before. Tora Bora.
Tahiti?
Afghanistan. The tunnels.
So that's an IED?
That's a daisy chain of ANFO blocks. Ammonium nitrate fuel oil. It's easy to use. You can find it at any construction site.
Are they wired up their own tunnel?
It's a kill switch. Destroy the evidence with a push of a button.
So what's the plan?
Help them push it.
Excuse me?
Push the button.
Well, we're gonna blow the tunnel.
When the line is shut down, no casualties. Now I'm gonna need to be boots on the ground to give you the go-ahead. You'll set it off from a distance when the time's right.
With what and how?
You'll figure it out.
You know there's no such thing as a universal remote, right? That's like a myth.
No pressure.
보시가 폭탄에 대한 대책을 세우는 사이 사이먼은 챈들러에게 계속해서 압박을 받고 있었는데요.
Chandler.
Have you considered what we discussed?
I have.
Listening.
Hands off my son.
When is the shutdown?
I have your word?
You do. No, when, Simon?
I don't know yet.
Then you're out of time.
I will. Soon. Today.
Tick-tock.
잠시 후 사이먼은 작전 시간을 메시지로 전달받습니다. 하지만 정보를 유출하려던 그는 마피아에 의해 제거되고 말죠.
Wakefield?
얼마 후 사이먼의 집을 찾아온 챈들러.
Simon?
그녀는 사이먼의 시체를 발견합니다.
Shit. Yeah, it's me. I'm gonna need to connect with your tech guy ASAP.
사이먼이 죽었다는 소식을 듣자 화가 난 로저스가 마피아들을 찾아가는데요.
Конечно.
Carl, what an unexpected pleasure. What happened to Simon? Why'd you kill him, for Christ's sake?
He was talking.
Like hell he was.
With a lady lawyer you tried to kill. One suing you.
Impossible.
Saw with own eyes.
Sell you downriver. Make deal.
I don't believe that.
Also, Sonny boy, you're still above ground for one reason. To get us our fucking money. So get tapping.
All Rogers wants to settle. He wants to put this thing to bed.
결국 협박에 못 이긴 로저스는 차라리 챈들러를 만나 협상을 해보는 길을 택합니다.
How do we move forward?
We set a time and place of our choosing, and he has to be there in the room. No Zoom, no teleconference. I want him face to face as we negotiate.
I'll get back to you.
그 시각 로저스 일행은 석유를 빼돌리기 위해 일정을 조정하려고 하죠.
I can't authorize this, Russ. We've already got maintenance scheduled for 3 weeks out.
You gotta pull it up. We can't wait. This situation needs to be dealt with.
What situation?
Our smart pigs detected corrosion in 453.
And this is the first I'm hearing about it?
It was in my overnight report. I'm telling you, we're gonna have leaks. And the last thing we want is another CalGem violation.
한편 보시는 그동안 얼굴을 보지 못했던 딸을 만나 오랜만에 식사를 하고 있었는데요.
How's work?
It's good. I told you about that rape call we got a couple weeks ago.
Yeah, and?
I gave her my cell. The victim, she reached out.
What'd you do?
Dropped by your place. Tried to reassure her.
How's the case? Any leads?
Not that I know of. I just can't let it go.
I understand that.
Yeah, you took every case personally.
As a homicide detective, I had to. My victims couldn't call me.
What about when you were a beat cop?
Oh. You have to pick and choose your battles. At the end of the day, you have to decide what kind of a cop you want to be. It's either a mission or it's just a job.
그렇게 딸에게 진심 어린 충고를 해주던 보시는 TV를 보다 벤스의 사망 소식을 접합니다.
You knew him?
Client. Sometimes a person tries to... They just run out of time.
그 사이 챈들러는 죽은 사이먼의 핸드폰 분석 결과 데이터를 받고 있었는데요.
It's not enough. Thank you so much.
Appreciate
you. 그리고 그녀는 오늘 밤 계획이 실행된다는 소식을 알곤 보시에게 알리죠.
Chandler? It's happening. Tonight.
잠시 후 보시는 기술자를 찾아가 폭탄의 리모컨 신호를 해킹할 수 있는 장비에 대해 듣습니다.
You got the key spoofing device I gave you.
How close do I have to get to Aslan to grab the signal?
50-foot proximity in order to spoof the key fob signal. And then I'm gonna decrypt the spoof and relay hack between my RFID transponder and the electrical.
Yeah, that'd have been easier if it was in Braille. Maurice, English, please.
You steal the signal, you toss it to me. At the right moment, I toss it to the tunnel. Kablooey.
You see? How hard was that?
We'll communicate with these.
Keep at it.
그날 밤 석유를 훔치기 위해 준비하고 있는 남자들.
Yeah. Okay. Let's go.
Almost showtime.
How long does it take to decrypt?
Seconds. As soon as you steal the signal, I do my thing.
Just make sure you're ready.
Here he comes.
차가 들어오자 보시가 바쁘게 움직이는데요.
How long you guys gonna be? 90 minutes tops. Cutting it close. Open the fucking gate.
Anything?
Not yet.
You said 50 feet, this thing can grab the signal. Can't get any closer.
Really?
Man, you gotta catch this before he drives off.
Am I good?
Negative. Does this fucking thing even work?
결국 허무하게 기회를 놓쳐버린 보시.
What now?
I'm thinking.
Really?
Think you can get close enough without getting caught?
I gotta get the guards to take the bait first.
Yeah, but what
If Aslan and his boys go down in the tunnel?
Then we're fucked.
We'll have to abort. I'm not blowing up anything with people down there.
So plan B has to work.
There's no plan C.
그렇게 보시는 플랜 B를 실행합니다.
Set?
You're clear. Go.
You expecting someone? Probably a coyote. Go check it out.
보안 요원이 입구로 가는 사이 보시는 안쪽으로 들어가는데요.
It's nothing.
Maybe it was a coyote.
Copy that.
그 사이 파이프라인의 수정 작업이 완료됩니다.
Let's get the stuff downstairs, yeah, guys? Tell me the pipeline's down.
You got 90 minutes.
All right, let's do this.
이때 손에 무언가를 든 채 남자에게 다가가는 보시.
Shit, intruder!
Coming your way now.
Hold it right there.
A little bit closer.
I said stop, pal. You understand English? Private property, asshole. Get the fuck out of here.
You got it?
Got it. Here comes the hammer.
Wrong place, wrong time.
That'd be you. Boom.
What'd you say?
그렇게 보시는 화려하게 일을 끝마치죠.
Damn, yo. Bosh, talk to me, you good?
Something like that.
We slick or what?
That we are.
보시가 성공적으로 일을 처리하는 사이 챈들러는 로저스를 만나러 왔는데요.
It's more than reasonable.
It's less than adequate.
Well, we're not going to negotiate against ourselves.
Fair enough.
You kidding?
이때 로저스에게 한 통의 전화가 걸려옵니다.
Would you like to take that?
It can wait.
What if it's Aslan?
How did you know?
Answer it and find out.
Yes. I'm in a meeting. When? I'll call you back.
Bad news? Aslan, how will you pay them back now?
What is she talking about?
Shut the fuck up.
You can run from the Russians, but you can't hide.
Why don't you quit beating around the bush and tell me what you have in mind?
You walk into the U.S. Attorney's office and confess.
To what?
Witness tampering, hiring the hitman, everything.
What does the U.S. Attorney say about that?
You give them everything you know about the Bratva and hope that gets you some leniency. Either way, the Russians won't be your problem anymore.
Carl, listen to me.
Shut the fuck up!
결국 로저스는 한 발 물러섭니다.
Deal.
Good.
What about the civil suit?
I will take double your opening offer and not a penny less.
You give them everything you know about the Bratva and hope that gets you some leniency.
Carl, listen to me.
Shut the fuck up!
녹음 파일까지 완벽하게 챙긴 챈들러는 이 소식을 보시에게 전하죠.
Taylor?
Nicely done.
Did he cave?
He did.
So far, so good.
More to come. Good night, Harry.
Night.
하지만 이대로 순순히 물러설 로저스가 아니었습니다.
Thought you were room service.
I'm glad you still have that special sense of humor.
Well,
just be on time. Our friend has the seal.
That's it?
That's more than enough.
Not better me.
로저스는 몰래 밀항을 할 계획을 세우고 있었습니다. 한편 러시아 마피아들은 기다리지 못하고 찾아온 두목을 만나는데요.
Что мы имеем? Он нигде не обозначился. Ну что, давай закажем?
А давай-ка сначала поработаем, дружок, а?
Долгий перелет, ты, наверное, голодный.
Давай-ка найдем этого козла, а потом и поедим по-человечески.
이들은 돈을 갚지 못한 로저스를 응징하기 위해 움직이죠.
Original!
Holy fuck! Shit!
Counselor.
What's this about? Don't start with a lie. Truth only.
One chance. Where in fucking world is Carl Rogers,
Bad news. Carl Rogers is in the wind.
그 시각 챈들러는 로저스가 밀항하려 한다는 소식을 듣습니다.
How fast can you file on Rogers? Get a warrant for
his arrest.
We're working on him.
He could flee the country.
Then the feds will extradite him.
That blueprint off Wakefield's phone.
Matthew did some legwork. It's a shipping container.
Plano is an export company.
There was a tracking number.
Just activated for a pickup of 2 containers this afternoon.
Being delivered to where?
San Pedro.
A ship headed to Vietnam, which has no extradition treaty with the U.S. I looked it up.
Where are the containers now?
One's in Wilmington, the other is Long Beach.
We need to go now.
You take Long Beach, I'll text you the info.
You shouldn't go alone.
Screw that. I'm headed to Wilmington.
그렇게 보시와 챈들러가 움직이는 사이 마피아들도 시체를 싣고 어딘가로 향합니다. 잠시 후 컨테이너 수출회사인 플레이노에 도착한 보시. 챈들러도 다른 쪽에 도착해 컨테이너를 찾기 시작하는데요.
Help you?
John Crate, Trident Security.
Got a problem?
Jansen Trucking's a client. They're picking up a box. Dipshit driver forgot the seal, so I had to come all the way down here myself to sort this shit out.
You got the ID number?
Just the tracking.
Let's see. Sorry, pal. Looks like they already got it. About an hour ago.
Shit. I called the trucking company. It's already on the ship.
Can we get on?
Not without a warrant. With customs, once it's in port, good luck.
I'm calling the U.S. Attorney.
They'll put out a red notice that goes out globally. If Rogers is in a fucking container, they'll catch him on the other side in Vietnam. You heading back?
I can come your way.
Oh, don't bother. It looks like they picked up the one here, too. I think I'm gonna wander a little bit. I'll let you know if I find anything.
Roger that.
그때 챈들러는 어딘가 수상해 보이는 창고 안을 조사해 보기로 합니다. 그리고 안쪽에는 정말 수상해 보이는 컨테이너가 하나 있었죠. 그런데 이때 자동차 소리에 급히 몸을 숨기는 챈들러. 소리의 주인공은 러시아 마피아들이었는데요. 잠시 후 이러한 사실은 꿈에도 모른 채 로저스가 나타납니다. 그렇게 해외로 밀항하려던 로저스는 결국
Ideas, asshole.
이것이 악인 로저스의 처참한 최후였죠.
The world's a better place.
No question.
A little justice.
You got what he deserved.
If those Russians had caught me,
Be on your way to Hanoi, too. Goes without saying, this stays between us.
absolutely.
Night.
Good night, Harry.
며칠 뒤 큰 사건을 해결하고 한숨 돌리던 보시는 황금펜과 함께 벤스가 보낸 편지를 받게 되는데요. 그것은 벤스가 죽기 전 자필로 쓴 유언장이었죠.
This is off the charts weird. What we have here is a holographic will.
Holographic?
Handwritten.
Is that a problem?
Not per se. In California, holographic wills are accepted as legal instruments upon verification.
Vance must have known that.
Well, that's why he sent you the pen.
유언장에는 보시를 향해 계속해서 자신이 준 의뢰를 이어가달라는 메시지가 적혀 있었습니다.
Who else knows you have this?
Vance's letter says he directed his secretary, Ida, to send me the package.
Was it certified? I mean, did you have to sign for it?
No, it's just stuffed in the box with all the junk mail.
Maybe the best way to get it to you under the radar. The last time you saw Vance, was he of sound mind and body as he attests here?
Yeah, he was. What do we do next?
Nothing for now. We lie low and wait. You keep working your case. Confirm Vance has an heir. We see who makes a move, see what the corporation does. When they make their move, we make our move. But we have to safeguard the originals at all costs.
I need to make copies. Decoys.
Billions of dollars on the line. People will do anything to get their hands on it.
결국 보시는 어쩌다 보니 수십억 달러가 걸린 상속 문제에 다시 엮이게 됩니다.
Harry.
It's a good word.
Undetermined.
Really?
He's 88 years old.
Tell me about it. If the word billionaire wasn't part of his name, he wouldn't even have gotten an autopsy.
It's a red flag.
Slight petechial hemorrhaging.
So not natural causes.
As of now, Ventura's not ready to call it.
Could be foul play.
That's your area of expertise.
Used to be.
보시가 무언가 이상하다는 걸 느끼는 사이 어느 범죄자를 쫓고 있던 메디의 동료 경찰들.
See that?
Got it.
It's the vehicle code section.
22450A.
It's clean. Light them up.
차를 멈춰 세운 뒤 경찰들은 용의자를 향해 다가가는데요. 별다른 저항이 없어 보였던 남자. 하지만
Fuck.
Everybody in the station. Officer down. Officer needs help. I'm over 6th Street.
You got
Officer
this?
down.
What are you waiting for? Go! Go, go!
6 out of 45. Officer needs help. Shots fired.
Your partner rolled to the scene?
Yeah, I'm gonna catch a ride with somebody else.
Another officer's gonna add to the chaos.
So you want me to stay here then?
Another set of hands. Go see Sergeant Mankiewicz, who'll give you your assignment.
Sir.
그렇게 메디는 일단 경찰서에서 대기하기로 합니다.
This is Larry Nadsel. We're following breaking news. An LAPD officer has been shot following a traffic stop in Hollywood. Sources tell us the wounded officer is a rookie female patrol cop.
Fuck.
The incident occurred near the intersection of Yucca Street and Wilcox Avenue. Approximately.
보시는 메디가 걱정돼 곧바로 전화를 거는데요.
Dad.
Mads, are you okay?
I'm okay. Just shaken up.
What happened?
She's one of my classmates, Dad.
How bad?
I'm hearing it's not good.
Where are you? Are you at the scene at the hospital?
At the station. Listen. They want me to help make notification. What do I say?
그때 보시는 문득 과거 자신이 총격을 당했을 때를 떠올립니다.
You find the words.
I love you.
I love you too. Keep me posted.
Promise.
Bye.
Jesus.
하지만 이런 보시의 감성을 미행하는 차가 깨버리는데요.
This shit ends now. These fucking people never give up.
곧바로 보시는 알고 있었다는 듯 그대로 크레이턴의 집으로 향합니다.
Having trouble following me? Want a copy of my itinerary?
Where'd you burn us? At the bank?
What do you want, Creighton?
I want you to stand down.
Stand down from what?
Your employer's died. Your employment's terminated. Speaking for the corporation. Stop what you're doing. We even know what your attorney's doing. We've been watching you.
I'll take it under advisement.
I don't think you understand the position you're in.
Oh, yeah? What position is that?
You're on very dangerous ground. You need to make careful decisions. I represent people who reward those who make careful decisions.
You know what? That sounds like a threat or a bribe, or maybe both.
Take it any way you want.
If I were still a cop, I'd arrest you for threatening an officer and attempted bribery.
But you're not.
크레이턴은 보시가 혹시나 상속자를 찾아 재산을 빼앗길까 경계하고 있었습니다. 그날 밤 딸 메디를 찾아가 위로해주는 보시.
Wonder if she'll come back. I wouldn't blame her if she didn't.
Having second thoughts.
About the job?
Wouldn't blame you if you were.
No. I was just wondering how she's doing. What went wrong?
Maybe she did everything right and it still went wrong.
That's a sobering thought.
Yeah, it is. But shit happens.
You got shot. Came back.
I did. Because it's not that interesting. Maybe some other time, Mads.
잠시 후 보시는 자신이 신뢰할 만한 경찰을 불러 벤스의 유언장 보관을 부탁합니다.
J. Edgar.
Harry.
Great to see you, brother.
Good to see you. You look good. This for me.
I'll reach out when I need it back.
I'll book it into evidence for one of my cases. It'll be safe.
Great to see you, brother.
Good to see you too, brother. Be safe.
You too.
한편 보시의 위로를 받고 다시 힘을 내던 메디에게 다시 사건 발생 소식이 전해지는데요.
Why?
Possible attack just occurred. 1559 North Serrano Avenue. Handle code 3. Incident number 1229 RD 649.
By that call.
성폭력 사건이었지만 먼저 동료 경찰이 응답해버리죠.
Responding code 3 from Santa Monica and Cahuenga.
It's another Chi-Town rape. You think it could be related to ours?
Might be. Might not be.
잠시 후 경찰서로 돌아온 메디는 출동한 동료 경찰에게 사건에 관해 묻습니다.
Hang on one sec. Hey, Morgan, what happened with that Chi-Town call?
Attempted rape. Suspect fled.
How's the victim?
Full of adrenaline. She smelled cigarette smoke when she came home. Grabbed a bat, followed the smell to the bedroom, wailed on the creep.
No shit.
Dropped his knife, ran for his life.
She got a good look at him?
Wearing a luchador mask.
Does that sound familiar? Red and black?
This your same guy?
Sounds like it.
그 시각 차를 타고 어딘가로 향하던 보시는 얼마 전 만났던 도미닉의 전우 루이스에게서 전화를 받는데요.
Mr. Bosch, Haley Lewis here. I still don't remember the name of Dominic's lady friend, but I remember the name of the paper she worked for. La Raza.
Got some? Drive.
그 길로 보시는 루이스가 말한 여성을 찾기 위해 그녀가 찍은 사진을 찾으러 사진 미술관으로 향합니다.
Only one. This photographer took a photo back in 72. Someone I know. I was hoping to find her that way.
The Chicano Pride movement was massive in Southern California. Protests, parties, meetups, marches. Got anything else that can narrow the search?
Can't think of any.
Vaya con Dios.
어쩔 수 없이 과거 기록을 하나하나 꼼꼼히 살펴보던 보시. 그러다 보시는 낯익은 얼굴을 발견하죠. 곧바로 사진을 찍은 여성인 가브리엘라를 찾아가는 보시.
Mine isn't working.
Gabriela Lita.
Yes. Haven't seen this photo in a long time.
He looks very happy.
We were head over heels. Where'd you find it?
His sister's garage.
All these years later.
What's your daughter's name?
Viviana Veracruz. Viviana after Nikki's mother. This photo is right after we were married on the beach. We weren't formally married.
I have to ask you. Why doesn't Dominic's sister know about Viviana? About you?
No, I was afraid. A freelance photographer? I had no money. And I thought that the Santanellos would win in court and take her from me.
I'd like to meet Viviana. There's some things I need to discuss with her regarding her grandfather.
Nikki's biological father.
Correct.
She's down in the Arts District. Not far from here. I can take you.
If I could just get her address.
No. Best if I'm there to watch over Gilberto while you two talk.
Gilberto?
My grandson. Phoebe's boy.
놀랍게도 가브리엘라의 딸은 아들까지 생긴 상태였습니다.
We'll find the time.
Sooner the better.
You still haven't told me who Nikki's father is.
Next time. Promise.
두 사람이 약속을 잡고 돌아가는 사이 그 장면을 벤스의 집사 슬론이 보고 있습니다. 며칠 뒤 가브리엘라에게서 전화를 받은 보시는 혹시 모를 미행을 대비해 배달차로 그녀의 딸인 비비아나의 집으로 향하죠. 그렇게 보시는 처음으로 벤스의 손녀를 만나게 됩니다.
Hey.
Where'd you get these?
Long story.
What is it you want, Mr. Bosch?
I want to talk to you about your grandfather.
My grandfather? I never knew my father. I don't think my grandfather, in quotes, ever gave my existence a second thought.
My client was the biological father of Dominic Santanello, so your grandfather.
What are you saying? El Viejo's still alive? Phoebe?
He was. He recently passed. But I can assure you, he would have been very pleased to know of your existence.
Okay. Thanks for letting me know.
I was hired to find his descendants. He's trying to right a wrong, make amends.
Yeah, and now he's dead. Bye-bye, abuelo. Baby.
You should know his estate goes to his heirs. You and your son. If DNA confirms bloodlines, which it will.
So he had money. That's what this is really all about, right? So how much?
Billions.
너무나도 큰 액수의 그녀는 매우 놀라는데요.
Now I get why you're riding around in the back of a delivery van.
I didn't want to lead the wrong people to your door.
Well, thanks for that. Are we in danger?
We'll need to do a DNA swab to confirm the genetic link. We can do it today and get the results back in a few days.
Then what?
Then Viviana has the option to use a lawyer I know, or she can seek her own counsel.
What was his name? My grandfather. It's Whitney Vance, isn't it? Well, you're not denying it.
It was Vance.
I read about him. He built helicopters. This company was part of the war machine that killed his son. My father, who I never knew. How could I possibly take his money?
Depends what you do with it. How you use it. This is serious money. You can affect some real change.
All right, fuck it. Let's do this.
How'd it go? As expected. Let's go.
얼마 후 어렵게 구한 DNA 감정서를 건네는 보시.
Better guard those with your life.
Oh, I'm gonna take them straight there. Biorite testing's good. Reliable.
Better be.
What's the matter? You don't look happy for someone who may have just found the long-lost heir of Whitney Vance.
Well, not out of the woods yet.
You worried about Trident?
They're dangerous.
We just have to stay one step ahead.
I thought you told Bosch to stand down.
No, clearly he didn't listen.
What options am I looking at here?
Options.
We need to do something about this DNA situation.
하지만 도청 장치까지 설치한 이들이 벤스의 상속을 방해하려 합니다. 그날 이후 비비아나 가족을 감시하는 듯한 슬론.
It's Phoebe.
What's wrong?
There's a man outside. Been here all day. I can see him through the window. He's watching the building.
What does he look like?
He's white. Gray hair.
Okay.
Stay calm. I'm on my way.
곧바로 보시가 슬론을 기습하는데요.
Fuck are you doing here, Sloan?
Doing the same thing as you are. I'm watching Mr. Vance's heirs.
How do you know about them?
Mr. Vance told me before he died.
Bullshit!
When she asked me to help you, and I tried, when he took ill, she wouldn't believe me. I'm not the enemy. Creighton and Corwin are. I'm on your side, Mr. Bosch.
알고 보니 도와주려 했다는 슬론의 말을 보시는 한번 믿어보기로 합니다.
Gonna need to move the family soon, so we're safe.
Mr. Vance has a place?
한편 훈련을 진행 중인 듯한 어느 여성.
Mr. Creighton,
Impressive.
I understand you have work for me.
Indeed I do.
결국 크레이터는 킬러를 고용하려고 합니다. 다음날 챈들러는 DNA 결과를 연구소에 전달하지만 킬러에 의해 방해를 받는데요.
Hey.
Turn on the news.
That's right, Larry. Onlookers say the fire erupted very...
Holy shit.
I didn't think they'd go this far.
Playing for keeps.
얼마 후 크레이터는 슬론이 배신자라는 걸 알게 됩니다.
Fucking traitor.
I'll take care of it.
Creighton.
We have a problem. Sloan.
그날 밤 비비아나의 연락을 받는 보시.
Hey.
Harry, Mr. Sloan just called to come up
Okay, you say what for?
to do a security check.
Okay, so he's probably just being...
But he did want tonight already, Harry. Plus, I gave him a key. Why would he say buzz me in if he has a key?
Okay, you need to get out of there. Get out of there, grab your son, take the stairs and get out of there. I'm on my way, I'll find you.
불길한 마음의 보시는 총을 챙겨 그녀의 집으로 향하죠.
Mom?
Get up here.
What's going on?
Everything's gonna be okay.
What is
Just
it?
follow me. Everything's fine.
Harry.
한편 역시나 비비아나를 없애기 위해 킬러가 움직이고 있었는데요.
You have reached David Sloan. Please leave him.
그렇게 목숨을 건 술래잡기가 시작됩니다. 그 시각 전속력으로 비비아나에게 향하는 보시. 잠시 후 비비아나 집에 도착한 보시는 킬러와 엇갈리고 말죠.
Scared.
바로 그때 이때 보시는 킬러를 속이기 위한 계획을 세웁니다. 큰 소음이 나자 소리가 나는 곳을 확인하려는 킬러. 그렇게 킬러를 따돌린 보시는 조심스레 비비아나가 있는 곳에 도착합니다. 그리고 킬러는 뒤늦게 이것이 함정이라는 걸 알아채죠.
Go, come on. Go, 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 go. Go, go, go. Hang on. You all right?
다음날 킬러의 정체를 알기 위해 기술자의 집을 찾은 보시.
What brings you these parts?
Need you to check this out.
So what's this?
Somebody tried to kill my client and their son. Guy I had watching him, he's missing. That's the link to the video cameras in our art studio. Start there. I want to see what I'm dealing with.
About what time we looking for?
She called me at 10, but they were already in the building.
They looks like one person. Her. Whoa. This one means business. Silencer. Isn't that illegal?
Suppressor. It's still illegal. Shoot me a copy of that.
You got it.
See if you can find any other cameras in the building or nearby. Everything you can find on her.
Your clients, they say?
For now, I got them stashed.
You're not gonna tangle with this one, are you?
잠시 후 보시는 다른 카메라의 존재를 듣습니다.
Oh. Yeah, I found something. There's a hidden camera on the delivery door of that place downtown, probably to catch package pirates. I found it on the building's Wi-Fi network, and I backed up the image. You're gonna want to see it.
Send it to me.
I just did. Brace yourself.
It's Sloan. Here for a security check.
Okay, hang on.
슬론의 죽음에 화가 머리끝까지 난 보시.
Jesus Christ.
결국 보시는 이 모든 걸 사주한 크레이턴을 납치해버립니다.
Bosh. The hell is this? Jesus. Help me! Somebody help me!
No one can hear you.
This is wrong. You're not that guy. You'll go to prison for this.
I am that guy. If I go, you'll go. It'll all come out. You set loose a killer on a 14-year-old boy and his mother. The only thing I'll be guilty of is trying to stop it.
This is crazy. I'm an ex-cop, for God's sake. A commander!
Who is she?
I don't know.
Don't fuck with me. Who is she?
How can I tell you something that I don't know? Bosh, don't! Please! I can't tell you something that I don't know. You don't want to do this. Don't do this. Don't do this. Bosh, don't. No. Don't. I don't know her name. Okay? All I have is a contact. No names.
How was contact made?
Text. I have a number. I use a burner. The money's sent to a blind account in the Caymans.
Then you can get a message to her.
Yes.
Tell her to stop.
Can't. Her rules. When she takes the job, there's no turning back.
What did she do with Sloan?
Dead and buried, I assume. She's a pro.
Where's the burner?
My briefcase.
보시는 최후의 통첩을 준비하죠.
Tell her Viviana and her son are at Vance's country house, Hidden Valley.
How'd you know about that place? Sloan. She won't believe it, Bosh. She'll smell a setup.
Then you'll have to convince her. Call your people. Tell them to get the drone up. I'll tell you what to say. You go off script, I'll put you on your back again.
메시지를 받은 킬러 역시 만반의 준비를 시작합니다. 잠시 후 미리 숨어 대기하던 보시 앞에 킬러가 나타나는데요. 그렇게 보시의 마지막 싸움이 시작됩니다. 미리 설치해둔 카메라로 킬러의 위치를 파악하는 보시.
Him that amputated me, battered me like a dog.
서서히 킬러는 보시가 쳐둔 덫에 걸려들고 있었습니다.
And now here on my own account, in a matter of speaking. Tain't earning now. Where's all England's men now? I don't know. We're split.
You move, you die.
이때 보시가 버린 총을 발견한 킬러.
6 shots. You brought an old man's gun, Bosch.
하지만 이건 보시의 함정이었죠.
You should have counted guns.
That's your mother and your grandmother. Aren't they beautiful?
Harry, we got her restored. I want one too.
I'll get you one. Ready to go home?
Oh, here's some sandwiches for the ride.
Thank you.
Will I see you tonight?
Of course. Oh. Harry, take care of my family.
I will.
Thank you.
그렇게 모든 사건이 해결되고 비비아나의 변호를 맡은 챈들러가 인터뷰를 하는데요.
Determined administration. Mr. Vance did not die without any heirs. He has a granddaughter and a great-grandson, and we intend to prove it through DNA analysis and other means at the hearing in support of the motion.
Jane and John Doe, why aren't you naming these so-called heirs?
I can think of a few billion reasons not to put their names out there. People like you descending on them, others with their hands out. These are very private people, and there have already been 2 attempts to find and eliminate them.
Eliminate? By who?
Everything you need to know can be found in the petition. Read it. Thank you, and I'm sure I will see you all in court.
You promise to come back tonight?
I will.
Oh, and bring your daughter. I'd like to meet her.
I'll ask her.
Then I won't say goodbye. But I will say thank you, Harry.
비비아나와 헤어진 뒤 잠시 쉬던 보시는 갑자기 찾아온 메디를 만납니다.
Dad, did your phone run out of battery?
Sorry. I was tying up loose ends. I got distracted. How was your day?
It was good. Long. Cold beer?
Coming up.
So I got to drive today.
Oh, yeah? How was that?
I would be lying if I didn't say it was one of the cooler moments of my life.
Training wheels come off. I remember it well. Proud of you, Mads. This cop thing could work out.
You think? Dad.
What is it, honey?
I just want you to know, when I can't reach you, it scares me. A lot. Because I'm out there and I'm on the street and I see all of the bad shit that goes on.
I do.
And I'm trying to stay rational so that I can do this job because I think I love it.
I get it.
I know you do. Better than anybody I know. So, when your phone rings or you get a text, just let me know you're good. Okay? Because I need it.
I will. I love you. I love you.
Love you, Dad.
하지만 이것은 곧 있을 불행의 시작이었죠.
I wouldn't miss it. I wouldn't miss it. Just so you know, my daughter's meeting me here.
I want to meet her.
잠시 후 계속해서 메디가 나타나지 않자 보시는 걱정이 돼 전화를 해보는데요.
I'm not here. Leave a message.
I'm here. You coming? Call me back.
불길한 마음에 황급히 메디의 집으로 향하는 보시.
I'm not here. Leave a message.
Mads, call me. Like you, I need to hear back. Maddie. Maddie, you here? This. Mads? Mads? You here? Mads?
어째선지 너무나도 조용한 메디의 집. 그리고 보시는 평생 잊지 못할 광경을 보게 되죠. 그럼 여기까지 보시 시즌1의 내용이었습니다. 감사합니다.